I guess you have many questions right now. First of all, why am I showing an RC car? Second, there's no second. We're going to do a remote control car tutorial. I'm sorry I'm disturbing again, but subscribe to my channel so I make more interesting videos, and you can also write in the comments below what do you want my next video to be, or if you want me to make some more tutorials. And he and I, we are going to show you how to drift and ride. I guess we can show that one more time. Let's go. So this is its remote controller, and this is its steering wheel, so it steers. And this is its throttle that goes front, and backwards, that it won't hurt the controller. So again, it's steer and move. To do the trick, you'll first have to go forward, so you press the throttle, then you steer and go like backwards, and then steer and go front again. So let's go again. Go forward, then backwards and steering wheel, then the other way the steering wheel, and front again. And for the last time, go front and then steer, backwards, turn in front. Front, steer and go front, then steer from the other way and go forward. That's it, guys. Now practice, practice, practice. And practice again. And practice again. And see you guys. BYE, BYE, BYE.